If you are an Indian, I'm sure you would agree that there's nothing like hot tea on a cool winter morning. This is the month of January. We are somewhere in southern India, and it's not really cold, but really pleasant weather, slightly on the cooler side. And what we are doing right now is, well, we are in a hotel room and we are making Indian masala chai. Okay, so you can see we have our dairy whitener. It's a product named Amulya from the house of Amul, which is a cooperative marketing company. And you have this is masala chai. In fact, I'm sorry, it's not the masala chai. It's a blend of different types of tea. And after that, take a look at this. This is um, spices. You have ground black pepper. You have black cardamom and dried tulsi leaves all crushed together. That is your sugar, and this is mineral water. So we made our milk with the help of this dairy whitener, and the star of the show here is the Borosil multi-purpose kettle. It's a 1.5 liter vessel, which comes with a thermostat. But if you set it to its maximum position, it will keep running without cutting off, as you see in most electric kettles. So, uh, if you are a tea lover, I'm sure your biggest gripe is that you don't get home-like tea outside. But a device like this really solves your problem because, as you can see, we have our tea being prepared in a typical home style, and we have tried this earlier as well. It tastes really good as home, and much better than what you prepare on an induction stove. So I thought I'll just share with you how this works in case you want to enjoy your tea a little better next time you go outside. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and please consider subscribing if you like it.